chasing your dreams, pursuing your passion, and learning something new. This is what you want to achieve during these times of pandemic. So right now, I'm going to learn something new about the things that I love to do, especially here in my vlogs. So I was invited by my friend, Chef Jison, to cook with him, and I'm so excited to learn something new. So what are we waiting for? Tara! Let's! Hi everyone, my name is Chef Chris and I'm with CAFA. So I was able to work with different types of companies and I was able to gain experiences from them. Our edge here in CAFA is that we are actually one of the 2 schools in Southeast Asia to be accredited by the World Association of Master Chefs. This is actually gives our students countless job opportunities around the globe. Here in CAFA, we not only want to teach our students how to cook international cuisines, but we also try to unlock their creativity, and we really touch the hearts of our students to make them passionate in cooking. Beyond the measured recipes, they should also be able to get creative with their dishes. So if you have that burning passion for cooking, don't let your dreams just be dreams. Turn them into reality. Join our CAFAMILYA today. So right now guys, I'm here with my friend Chef Diaz Jison, and we're going to make adobo with a twist. Yes, so!
Yes, I do the cooking, yes, I do the cleaning.
So kanina, nagluto kami sa lamb steak. Ang ginukuha namin sa lamb steak, ang mamanang lutuan sa adobo. Because all the magic, isang flavors, sa dalawang, isang nilutuan sa adobo. Asang lamb steak, sorry. So we'll start off by putting our onions. Put in our onion, our garlic, chopped garlic. Right now, we're using bacon butt, pork bacon butt. Sir Lex, ano yung mga specialty? Specialty ko siya. Yes. Fried chicken. Pwede ko yung luto, and namin siya gata na ako sa mga killer ko mag-learn. Actually, may vlog ko nandito ako kay chicken. Welcome to Lexplorations Kitchen! Are you sure what you're doing? Ayun na guys. No, natakot ako kanina. Salapit na lang ang pork adobo with a twist by Chef Chris and Sir Alex. Tapos, aray ang naman kautan. Yes! Si Chef siya!
Nag-aari ka naman ng hugas?